off with the turban as the headpiece, the hat, the headdress, whatever you call it. We are going to make 5 X's going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 going down this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add purple or whatever color you like. Next here. This is the half. I'm going to make 3 down here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 2 here. I'll make 1 right here. And up here we add 1 here. 2, 3. And then just make like an upside down U right there. I'm just going to trace the black one to make it darker. I don't have a peach color, so I'm going to use my pencil for the face. Three here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to make 2 here. 1, 2. Skip this one. Skip this one. This is where the eyes will be. So for now, I'm just going to put 2 circles right here. And when you actually do the cross stitching, you just leave it blank. If your cloth is black. If your cloth is white, you want to make these 2 right here black X's. If your cloth is red, again, you can make a black X's right here. We will continue with the X's going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 here, skip, 2 here. This part will be the lips or the mouth. So I'm gonna make it red or pink, whatever you like. And we'll make 3 X's down here. This part will be the chin, and this part will be the neck. That looks nothing like a person, but trust me, it will turn out to look beautiful. Okay, I'm going to use black for the shirt. We want to make 2 X's here. 1, 2. This will be diagonal line, diagonal line, diagonal line, X, X. 1, 2, 3. You might be wondering, what is this part? This is going to be the necklace. Okay, we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to add the arms. Counting down from here, we need 6 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew, I almost made a mistake there. Okay, same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we are now moving on to the body. We need 9 X's going down. 1, 2, 3. use red and green. Okay, from here we're going to make 6 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're going to make 2 rows of the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Back to using the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's kind of hard to see the face and the arm, so I'm going to erase it and change it to this color. This is why you need a pencil. Alright, let's go do the same to the face. Okay. Now we can do this for the eyes. Much better. Okay, and I want my apron to match the color of my turban, so I'm going to make it purple as well. We will need 15 X's starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then these we're just gonna go down like that. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And these will be filling with black. If your cloth is already black, just leave it black. If your cloth is red or white, you want to make sure you fill in with black X's, or whatever color you choose to fill it in. This is called a apron daishe. Okay. Alright, moving on to the shoes. We're going to make this person wear boots. As you can see, I already started with pencil. So now I'm going to trace it in black pen. You're going to use 2 boxes and cross it to make a big X. 1, 2, I'm making 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now back to the single X's. 2 here, 3 here, 2 here, skip 1, that's the heel. Piece right here, the necklace is going to be silver, so I'm just going to leave it.